Good day, traders. This is Rich. I'm coming live with some price action on the binary markets. Currently getting into a trade here at GTOptions, looking at a Euro USD put option. Currently in this trade at 1.31913, and we'll come back to this platform in a second. Let's go check out the chart. 5-minute chart, here we go. 1-minute chart, here we go. Price action has been looking pretty interesting this morning. Not necessarily huge moves. Well, let's go to a 15-minute real quick. You can see the climb above the 132 yesterday. Kind of consolidated about it, just below it, I'm sorry. Tested it again, fell off. Tested it again, fell off harder. Extended move, pretty extended through the pivot. Now we're climbing back up. You can see this 15-minute wick here. We're trying to get back up into this area, but now there's a lot of resistance here. The question is, if it breaks through right now, we will see highs of the day and possibly 132s and 132.5 area. So we are currently in this trade as a put option. You can kind of see the price action here, and it is kind of working against us. 10-minute expiry at GTOptions, closing at 9:30. You can check them out in the link below this video. I like this platform. It's actually pretty interesting. I've been with them for a while. I just haven't used them in the videos. And you can see here, they've changed over the last year or two. They've changed their platform quite a bit. You select your asset, your time, and your amount, and then you do your call put. And down here, you can see your position, Euro USD, in at 1.31913. It's currently at 1.31928. So it is currently against us. It's at 13:30 p.m., which is 9:30 p.m. Investment is 100. Payout is 4. So obviously the price has moved against us, but we do have about 5 minutes to go, 5.5 minutes. It gives you 5 minutes to before the strike price closes to get in it. So you have the option to pick your particular time frame. There's short-term and long-term trades, but this is a 10-minute trade. But I got in with about 7 minutes to go in the total trade. So I'm watching this thing. I'm feeling pretty confident of the consolidation right before the U.S. markets open. Then we'll pop and drop at 9:30. I just need the price action to get down a little bit to give us a nice clear-cut winner. So I'm going to pause the video. Hope everyone's having a good week so far. It is Tuesday. Make sure you like, comment, share, tweet, get the information out there, and add a link if you can. We are taking trades all week. Doesn't matter which currency or what asset we are trading or which broker we are trading. We will be in action all week. Price is currently, I would say, almost break even, and I'm going to pause. Yeah, we're in positive territory right now, so I'm going to pause right now. We'll come back, hopefully have a nice winner, and finish this thing up. Okay, guys, we're coming into our final minute here, and you can see how price action did jump against us. Notice how the price action point is here, 1.31893. It's a pretty nice tick chart. It is on a 1 hour. I can change it to a 30-minute. Kind of get a little bit more up close. You can see how price had dropped off here. So let's go back to the chart. You can see how this thing finishes up. Price did have a little jumper candle on the 1 minute just before this price action moved down. You can see how price was about 2 pips against us, and now we're finishing up well ahead of the game right now. Nice 1 minute candles in a row, pushing down, making new lows over the last 20 minutes or so. So that's great. Great trade for us. Great way to start our Tuesday. And we're going to finish this trade up at GTOptions in the green. Definitely a good trade. We saw price action kind of dancing, kind of consolidating, having a hard time making those new highs. I think 132 is a tough level. I do expect it to break through it. I just don't know when. So I'm going to continue trading what I see and taking the best setups possible. And you should do the same. So make sure you guys are liking the video. Check out the chart setup video if you haven't, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Price is now opening up on the U.S. markets, and it should be interesting to see what happens on the currency pairs. See what Euro USD check out the chef, check out the yen, dollar, and the pound dollar as well. So good trade here. I'm going to pause, come back. We'll check out what happened, how we finished up, and go from there. Okay, guys, this trade finished in favor. In at 1.31913, closed at 1.31884 for 171 payout. So a solid trade here at GTOptions. Let's go check out the chart one more time and finish this thing up. Okay, on the chart, you can kind of see what happened again. Here's the 1 minute chart. Price was coming up, took our put, went against us, but then dropped off nicely, and it's still dropping off. It's not making new lows, but it's still making south side moves versus making new highs. And we'll go back to the 15-minute chart. You can kind of see these wicks now, 2 15-minute wicks. So for price to get above the 132, which is right here, it's going to take a little bit of action from all markets to get it up there. And you can see it failed yesterday and failed this morning, and then tried again and failed. So 132 has been some great trades if you were taking that. I'm sure some of you took it in the middle of the night if you're prepared and you're in front of your screen. So we'll take this trade. We'll walk away with a winner, and we'll finish up this way. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Make sure you like the video, share the video, and get it out there. And I'll be back on Wednesday. Yes, I will. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com, and we'll have the trade of the day tomorrow. Have a good one.